back for now. You can give me your stick to roll on. Tell you some kind of upright character. There you go. How about some water? You want some water too? A little bit of water would be nice. There we go. So Joe has a little friend in his pen. Looks like this is Mama. Not getting very good lighting. Little birdie, are you okay? We're not sure what to do.
Mama's not going to go around it.
Yes, it has all its feathers. Yeah, it has all its feathers. Cute little thing. It's looking at me. Hello, little thing. Am I zoomed in? Yeah, I'm zoomed in. There it is.
More babies over here on the truss. Yeah, there's 2 babies up there. That's where it looks like it probably. Yeah, Mama went up and fed them, then she came back down here. They're on that flat board up there. Over here. Right above the post. See their heads sticking up.
Oh, yeah.
Or let it die.
Okay, little birdie. I want to see you fly away. Have your... So we're gonna go into the barn here and do a real quick update on that little bird, because I came out here to check on it, and lo and behold, it has moved. So it has moved to a new location. So I'm gonna show you real quick if I don't get dive bombed by the mama. You didn't scare the birdie, did you? Looks like it's doing okay. It made it up here okay. Yes, what a cute little thing. There you go, baby. Yeah. Stay safe. So I'm seeing two birds sitting right there. Should be the parents. So I lied. This is the baby, I think. Good. You're doing very well for yourself. You're learning how to fly. Okay. So our little bird is gonna do good. I'm happy for it. I think it's gonna survive. I'm gonna keep the dogs out of this area, and I think the bird should do well on its own, because this is the back pasture back here, so it should be safe back here, or at least from our dogs. Now, I don't know about the rest of nature, but it should survive on its own. Just another update. I'm just so excited, I can't stand it. So I just came out to check on the bird because I thought it was gone, but it's not gone. It's actually way up on top of this post. And I just saw all three of them way up here on top of this post. Now it's just this one right there. Cool. I know, that's what I said. If it can fly all the way up there, and I saw them all flying. So I was really super excited. So yeah, that's why I came running in the house real fast to get my camera and came out here. I know, I'm just thrilled to see it survive.